everybody. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening. My name is Shauna and welcome to Shauna's World. Yay! How's everybody doing? Hope everybody's doing good and getting ready for the Christmas holidays. Yes, Christmas holidays. Well, I'm going to do my makeup tutorial as usual. But today we are traveling to Fuerteventura. I love Fuerteventura. Oh, it's so beautiful there and the weather is just so awesome. So, I'm doing my makeup, my travel makeup. And I just got out of bed and I'm super sleepy, super tired still. And yes, I still have makeup on from the night before. I never really take my makeup fully off, so I always use the, this is so good by the way, Biotherm. I would say Biotherm. Here they would pronounce it Biotherm. And in French, I have no idea because this is a French company. And to me, they have the best makeup removal. I love this stuff. So it's not greasy because I really don't like makeup bases which have like this greasy, this greasy finish at the end. I mean, they say it's good for getting makeup off, but I don't like it. So it's almost like water, you know, but it still goes on really nice and it removes all the rest of your makeup off. So this stuff is really good. I can highly recommend it. I'll put the link where I got it from. Hopefully they offer it in the States and everywhere else, but it's good stuff. It's hard to find. Actually, I haven't been able to find it here anymore, so I don't know. Yeah, so looking forward to spending 2 weeks, Christmas holidays here, like 2-3 weeks. So gonna hang out in the sun here. They're about to go again into shutdowning the city. So unfortunately, and that's actually a lot of places in Europe. They're shutting down. So before they shut down, we're getting out if we have the possibility. So why not get out? Right? Right. Yay! So looking forward to some sun and playing some tennis. Oh my goodness, I have not played tennis in so long. Of course, my daughter's playing tennis like crazy. But me, oh man, I need to get out and move. I have not done any exercise. Only exercise I've been doing is moving. So anywho, after the move, now the move is over. Now it's time to get back into shape. I wouldn't say that I've gained anyway. Maybe a pound or two. I would say I gained some weight, but that's not bad compared to some other folks. I don't know. I have like this really big craving for peanuts lately, so I've been eating a lot of peanuts. Yes, peanuts. I love peanuts now. I don't know why. Especially hot and spicy peanuts. So I've got all my stuff all packed away. I got this cute little MAC bag the other day. I need to get some, to stock up on some products that are about running out, like my concealer, Prolong concealer. And yeah, so got everything already packed. And it's the cutest bag. It's a nice little travel bag. I can get everything in there. But not everything, like my brushes and stuff. Forget it. I'm gonna put them there. So that's what I forgot to put out, my brushes. Anywho, so oh man, I should have left my stuff out. Stayed up really late packing. I always say that I'm only going to take a few things, and then I always wind up taking a whole bunch of things. I know me, when I get over there to the beach area, I'm pretty laxed. I don't like to do too much dressing up. I like to feel free and be kind of like a hippie girl. Okay, so yes, as usual, I'm gonna start off with my precisely my brow from Benefit, and of course, you guys know I'm going to put on my headphones and get started. So stick around, don't go nowhere. so we landed. Yoo-hoo-hoo-hoo-hoo. Yes, and we got ourselves a hotel. We'll be staying in a hotel for the next 3 days. And then after that, we're gonna go to our little home. Just a little getaway after all the stress that's been going on this year. But anyway, that's another topic. So you guys can get a view.